Hi, this is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. In this video, we are going to look at the Oliver Print Drawstring bag from Printful. If you're new to Printful, Printful is a print-on-demand company where you can upload your designs and have them printed on various products, including the Drawstring bag. I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can get started with Printful. So here is the Oliver Print Drawstring bag that I got from Printful. This is a pattern that I created in Photoshop, and I do have a video tutorial on how to create this pattern. So I will leave a link to that tutorial in the description below. As far as the features of this bag, as far as size goes, it measures 15 inches by 17 inches long. The listed weight capacity for this bag is 33 pounds, and it's made from a 100% spun polyester fabric. And then it does have a drawstring closure. So just looking at the overall construction here, you can see a little bit of that, just kind of the way they're stitching here on the top. And then it does have these drawstrings on the side here. So if we were to just pull on them, we'll get that closure look of our drawstring bag here. So as far as the like the feel of the material, if I run my hand over it, you can kind of hear how it sounds. It's definitely definitely like a thick material here. It's got that feeling of it's got a nice durable feeling to it. As far as the like the thickness of it, I would say this material is a little bit thicker than what I'm used to for a drawstring bag, which is fine. But if you're just if you have a drawstring bag at home that you got at the store, I would say this material is probably a little bit thicker than what I'm used to for a drawstring bag. The print is definitely nice and crisp, nice and vibrant. See the colors there. So definitely a nice print. I'm happy with the way it printed. And then just looking at the bottom here, you can see how the cord is just sewing along the side. You can see our drawstrings. And then looking on the inside here, a lot of Printful products, there'll be like an ID printed somewhere, so we can see that it's printed here on the inside. You can see the sewing there. And then if we turn it inside out, you can see how it's finished here on the inside. It does have this tearaway care label here, which will give you the details of how to wash it here. So overall construction of this bag is really nice. No major areas of complaint as far as construction goes. Again, this is an Oliver print design, so what you print on one side, you could easily print the same thing or have it be different on the other side. Overall, I like the quality of this bag and definitely recommend it from Printful. Thanks for watching this video where we looked at Printful's Oliver Print Drawstring bag. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. This is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. See you next time.